Did you know that the beauty industry produces millions of tons of waste each year? It's a scary thought, our love for cosmetics taking a toll on the planet. But there's good news. The rise of sustainable beauty offers a refreshing and responsible approach. We can indulge in our self-care rituals while minimizing our environmental impact. It's time to make conscious choices about the products we use and embrace a greener beauty routine. Sustainable beauty is all about creating and enjoying beauty products in a way that respects our planet. It's about choosing products made with ethically sourced, natural ingredients that are biodegradable and don't harm ecosystems. Sustainable beauty is also about minimizing waste by using recyclable and reusable packaging. This means saying no to harmful chemicals and yes to ingredients that love our skin and the earth. Nature provides a bounty of ingredients that are not only good for our skin, but also for the environment. These natural elements have been used for centuries in various cultures for their healing and beautifying properties. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, each region offers unique plants and herbs that can transform our skincare routines. By harnessing the power of these natural ingredients, we can achieve radiant, healthy skin without relying on synthetic chemicals. Take, for example, argan oil, a luxurious oil sourced from the argan tree in Morocco. This golden oil is often referred to as liquid gold due to its rich nutrient profile and myriad benefits. The argan tree, which thrives in the semi-desert regions of Morocco, produces nuts that are hand-extracted to obtain this precious oil. It's packed with antioxidants and deeply moisturizes the skin. Argan oil is rich in vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for skin hydration and protection. Regular use can help reduce inflammation, improve skin elasticity, and even out skin tone, leaving your skin looking youthful and radiant. Another favorite is rosehip oil, known for its ability to reduce the appearance of scars and brighten skin tone. Extracted from the seeds of wild rose bushes, rosehip oil is rich in vitamins A and C, which are crucial for skin regeneration and repair. This oil is particularly effective in reducing hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and acne scars, giving your skin a smoother, more even complexion. These natural ingredients are produced sustainably, often supporting local communities and fair trade practices. By choosing products that are ethically sourced, we contribute to the well-being of the communities that cultivate these plants. This not only ensures that we get the highest quality ingredients, but also promotes environmental conservation and sustainable farming practices. When we choose these ingredients, we choose to nourish our skin and support a healthier planet. Natural skincare products offer a holistic approach to beauty, where the health of our skin and the health of our environment go hand in hand. By embracing these natural oils and extracts, we can enjoy radiant skin while making a positive impact on the world around us. Section 4. Packaging with a Purpose: Innovations in Sustainable Beauty. The beauty industry is making strides in sustainable packaging. This shift is not just a trend but a necessary evolution to address the growing concerns about environmental sustainability. Many brands are now opting for recycled and recyclable materials, like glass and aluminum, which can be reused endlessly. Glass jars and aluminum containers are not only durable but also infinitely recyclable, making them a popular choice among eco-conscious consumers. Others are exploring innovative solutions like mushroom-based packaging and biodegradable plastics made from plant materials. These materials break down naturally, reducing the long-term impact on our planet. Mushroom-based packaging, for instance, is grown from agricultural waste and mycelium, offering a compostable alternative to traditional plastics. Some companies have even adopted refill programs, where you can replenish your favorite products without having to purchase a brand new container each time. This approach not only cuts down on plastic waste, but also encourages a more sustainable consumption pattern. Refill stations are becoming more common in stores, allowing customers to bring their own containers and fill them up with products like shampoo, conditioner, and lotions. These initiatives reduce waste and minimize the environmental impact of our beauty routines. By choosing products with sustainable packaging, consumers can make a significant difference. The beauty industry's commitment to sustainability is a step towards a greener future, where beauty and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. As more brands join this movement, the options for eco-friendly beauty products continue to grow, making it easier for everyone to make environmentally conscious choices. Section 5. Spotting the eco-warriors, identifying truly sustainable products. Navigating the world of sustainable beauty can be tricky with so many products claiming to be eco-friendly or natural. The market is flooded with options, and it can be overwhelming to discern which products truly live up to their green promises. Many brands use buzzwords like green, natural, or eco-friendly without substantial backing, making it essential for consumers to be vigilant and informed. Look for certifications like organic, fair trade, and cruelty-free. These certifications are not just marketing gimmicks. They are awarded by reputable organizations that ensure the products meet stringent criteria. For instance, organic certifications guarantee that the ingredients are grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, while fair trade labels ensure that the workers involved in the production process are treated ethically and paid fairly. These labels ensure that the products meet specific standards of sustainability and ethical sourcing. They provide a level of transparency and trust, allowing consumers to make informed decisions. When you see these labels, you can be more confident that the product aligns with your values and contributes positively to the environment and society. Pay attention to the ingredient list. Ingredients are the heart of any beauty product, and understanding what goes into them is crucial. Many harmful chemicals, such as parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances, can be found in conventional beauty products. These chemicals can be harmful to both your health and the environment. Familiarize yourself with common harmful chemicals and opt for products with natural and recognizable ingredients. Natural ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and shea butter are not only gentle on your skin, but also have minimal environmental impact. By choosing products with these ingredients, you are supporting a more sustainable and health-conscious beauty routine. Remember, sustainability is a journey, not a destination. It's about making continuous improvements and being mindful of the choices we make every day. Small steps can lead to significant changes over time. Whether it's switching to a shampoo bar to reduce plastic waste or choosing a moisturizer with ethically sourced ingredients, every action counts. Start small, make conscious choices, and support brands that align with your values. By doing so, you not only contribute to a healthier planet, but also encourage more brands to adopt sustainable practices. Your purchasing power can drive change, making the beauty industry more responsible and eco-friendly. Together, we can make a difference, one product at a time. Section 6. Green up your routine. Simple steps for eco-conscious beauty. Creating an eco-conscious beauty routine doesn't require a complete overhaul. Start by swapping disposable cotton rounds for reusable ones. Consider switching to shampoo and conditioner bars to reduce plastic waste. Embrace multi-purpose products like coconut oil, which can be used as a moisturizer, hair mask, and even makeup remover. Small changes can make a big difference. By incorporating these simple swaps into your routine, you contribute to a more sustainable beauty routine. Section 7. Embrace the beauty of sustainability. Sustainable beauty is more than just a trend. It's a responsibility and a commitment to protecting our planet. By making conscious choices about the products we buy and the ingredients we use, we can make a difference. Let's embrace the beauty of sustainability, knowing that we are taking care of ourselves and the earth at the same time. Remember, true beauty is about feeling good inside and out, and that includes knowing that our choices are making a positive impact. Thank you for watching Eco Glow. If you're passionate about natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly beauty secrets. Stay radiant and sustainable.